In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the web hosting options available on Hostinger. Whether you're setting up your first website or looking to upgrade your current hosting plan, it's crucial to understand the options to make an informed decision that fits your needs and budget. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to Hostinger's pricing page. This is where you can check how much web hosting costs and explore the various plans that Hostinger offers. You can find this page by simply going to hostinger.com and navigating to their pricing section. Once you're there, you'll immediately notice a variety of options laid out before you, each catering to different needs and budgets. Let's take a closer look at these plans. Begin by exploring the single shared hosting plan. This is typically the most basic option. It's ideal for those who are just starting out with a single website, wanting an affordable and straightforward solution. This plan might be the go-to choice if your site doesn't require a lot of resources, making it perfect for personal projects or small portfolios. Next, take a look at the Premium Shared Hosting Plan. Now, this plan goes a step further, providing you with more features than the single plan. You can host multiple websites and take advantage of increased disk space and bandwidth. This option is suitable if you're planning to expand or expect a moderate level of traffic on your sites. It's a great middle ground for growing businesses or active blogs. Once you've reviewed the premium plan, you'll want to move over to the Business Shared Hosting option. This package kicks things up a notch with higher performance levels and additional resources, perfect for business websites that experience higher traffic. It includes tools that can enhance your site's speed and uptime, making it invaluable for e-commerce sites or professional portfolios. As you continue to explore, don't overlook the Cloud Startup plan. Here, you're looking at a cloud hosting option, which provides better reliability and flexibility compared to traditional shared hosting. If you demand higher performance and scalability due to expected rapid growth or higher traffic, cloud hosting might be the answer, allowing your website to handle spikes in traffic with ease. Finally, to get a clear comparison of what each plan offers, click on Compare Plans. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to see side by side what each hosting package includes, making it easier for you to weigh your options and see which plan aligns precisely with your specific needs. By the end of this journey through Hostinger's offerings, you'll have a clearer picture of the web hosting landscape and be better equipped to choose the plan that best suits your website goals. Happy hosting, and I hope your website soars to new heights with the perfect Hostinger plan.